All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2012 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI, rear-wheel drive only. This is not an all-wheel drive. Once again, just to be clear, rear-wheel drive only with 91,000 miles. Original bright white from factory. This was a former highway patrol vehicle. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Folks, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. She's super fast. She is very strong. You can really feel the power on these vehicles when you're stepping on the gas pedal. Folks, a vehicle does have a fresh new window tint that is going to be 20% all around. Not too dark, not too light. Perfect color combo to go with it. Folks, the vehicle does have two antenna holes. One on the trunk lid and one on the roof. Those are actually the antennas that came with the vehicle. They're not up, but they are there for looks. There is no water or air leaking into the cabin or the trunk of the vehicle. Everything does work on the vehicle. No red flags whatsoever. I do have one little scratch right here on the rear bumper cover that came with the vehicle upon purchase. Once again, folks, vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need anything whatsoever. And in fact, I think she doesn't even need gas. I filled her up last week, and I think I got about 3/4 of fuel in the tank right now as we speak. I do have a nice set of Michelin tires from the department. Okay, nice set of Michelin tires from the department. It's a comfort tire. They're very quiet. I actually like the way they feel. I do have one working spotlight, regular Unity spotlight bulb in there. Folks, I gotta tell you, I do have a good used front Go Rhino push bumper. When I first got the car, there was no push bar, so I wanted to go ahead and put one on there. There you go. It's a good use front bumper. Go Rhino. I contacted one of my guys and I bought one from them. I do have fog lights. Folks, those are just there for looks. I do have a new set of OEM Dodge headlights. Once again, vehicle does have a new set of OEM Dodge headlamps. The ones that came with the car, they were a little bit yellowish, and they look to be old. Lucky for me, I did have a nice set of new headlamps, and I used them. The paint looks great, bright white. You can see this car coming a mile away. On the highway, people just don't want to be in front of you. They don't know what to think. All right, let's go inside real quick here, folks. Just bear with me as I get in the vehicle. Folks, as you can see, I do have a perfect matching interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor with matching floor mats. Yes, rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car. So everything is in place. So if you do have passengers, they are able to get out of the car if they're sitting in the back. Folks, you're probably gonna see that driver's side floor mat missing. Don't worry, I have it. It's drying, so I got a paper floor mat for now. Let me set this aside. I should have taken it out before. Perfect, comfortable, nice driver's side seat. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think no one ever sat there. Perfect dash. And folks, before I forget, I do have two key fobs with this vehicle, and both fobs have new batteries. Okay, let's go ahead and fire her up real quick here. All pressure lights are up. There you go, folks. 91.3, 91,000 miles. Once again, this is a highway. This was a highway patrol vehicle. Unity spotlight bulb in new condition. Yes, it does work. Air conditioner is nice and cold. And folks, for those of you guys that are familiar with these vehicles, the little screen right there is touch screen, so you can control it. You can control the radio from here or the screen itself. Nice and cold AC. Let's turn that off. Let's turn it down actually. Okay. Red LED, white LED. Just go to the trunk. Oh, before I forget, folks, USB auxiliary do work, cigarette lighter does work, and I'm missing one right here. This is the way the car came to me, so yes, I'm missing one right here. Okay, but everything else does work. Am I forgetting anything? Okay, I hope not. All right, let's continue. Let me throw these back in here real quick. Here go with the mosquitoes. This is gonna be the trunk. Nice looking trunk here, folks. Let me clean this up. And I do have a donut spare. Battery appears to be in new conditions from the department. So yes, the car is complete. Folks, let me tell you, I really do like the way this vehicle drives. She really does handle really good. Something about this one, I mean, it just grabs the road and gets up and go. Seriously. All right, let's go under the hood. You get the full wheel covers on this one. They are in nice condition. Emission sticker in place. We're good to go. Folks, real quick here, as you can see, the engine has been completely detailed. Vehicle has been serviced. Folks, let me tell you, once again, I set you up for success on another great running vehicle. She needs nothing. Super strong and very smooth, very quiet. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 16 OEM iridium Mopar spark plugs in this particular engine for this one. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Water pump appears to have been already replaced by the department. Dry bill is in a good shape, so I went ahead and left that alone. Also, I ran a BG fuel system cleaning on the engine to get rid of all the gunk that's in there, in the fuel lines and whatnot. Let me see. Oh yes, I do have new front brakes and rotors and new rear brakes and rotors from the department, folks. So I do have new brakes and rotors all around. Once again, courtesy of the department. Full synthetic 520 oil service. I almost forgot. Transmission was serviced, and I did use ATF4, and that was ATF4 fluid, and that was original equipment, fluid and filter. Okay, folks, you don't want to use anything else for this particular 722.6 transmission. They are really good transmissions, and make sure you stick with the original products when you're doing the servicing on your Charger. One last final look here. No door dings on this vehicle, no door dings whatsoever, because the car is white. It's got very minimal amount of scratches. My detail crew for the most part did an outstanding job taking care of those little scratches here and there. Alright folks, here she is. If you should have any questions, comments, please feel free to give me a call, text me, or email me. I am open to serious offers and questions. Please keep that in mind. I'm not here to waste your time, so please do the same for me, okay? Alright folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy, Mario. I do have to go. Thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed week ahead of you, okay? Thank you, God bless, and take care.